Hey guys, it's Babs and today's prank is going to be the whoopee cushion prank on my uncle. Let's get started.
Yeah, Dad, I'm ready.
When he goes out the door,
Yep, I'm ready.
go right there. When he goes by the dark, you're gonna go on the side and go put it in the car. You don't got time for that. I'm ready. See you later.
Hey,
What?
take that light out.
Well, I'm doing
Why are
something.
you all messed up?
Oh, Rich!
What?
Stop farting! Oh my God, Ricardo!
Girl.
that shit from over here.
Damn!
Come on, Red.
Look, get down.
Rich, that shit stinks that bad? You're doing that?
You
Oh, shit!
You want me there?
Whoa! Lift up the leg while you do it! Oh my God! Oh, shit! Oh!
Hey, you know how every time I told you my eyes are really hot? Right there?
Rich, you talk and fart at the same time? Damn!
Because yesterday, Liz, I was sitting at the table, and I asked Dad, is that a person right there? Yeah. By the front door?
Mm-hmm.
Because I thought I saw a shadow of someone.
Mm-hmm.
And he said, no, not here, just us. And after that, I turned and I looked again. And I thought I saw like a shadow of somebody in the house right there at the front door.
Maybe it's all those farts that you do that bring the shadows around.
Uh-huh.
Damn!
No, because hey,